Hi, I think there's 4 ways that a part-time CFO can help your small or medium-sized business grow and become more profitable. First, they're going to bring a forward-looking view to your financial information. Every month you take all your financial data, send it over to your accountant, they put it into QuickBooks, a couple weeks later they send you a report, you take a look at it and you throw it in the drawer. A good chief financial officer is going to take that information and make it forward-looking, make it a planning tool for you so that you can decide how business decisions that you make today are going to impact you financially in the future. Secondly, what they can do is they're going to help you manage your bankers and other outside business professionals such as lawyers and HR people. They're going to have more experience managing those people than you do. It's going to allow you to focus on managing your business. Thirdly, they're going to help you increase your cash flow and profits using analytical tools and business experience that'll help you put more money in your pocket. Lastly, they're going to bring a business experience and acumen that'll allow you to have an onboard advisor and sounding board that'll help you to be able to grow your business. If you have other ideas, if you've had other things that have been useful to you, why don't you leave a comment? Tell me what they were. If this information has been helpful for you, why don't you go to my YouTube channel at CFO Online and you can see more videos that'll help you grow your small and medium-sized business. Thanks.